Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get weekly screen time updates on TikTok into your inbox. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. It says profile. It's going to take us to our profile page. Now we're going to click on the three stripes in our top right corner. And here will pop a navigation menu and we're going to click on settings and privacy. Now, when we're here in our settings and privacy, we're going to scroll down onto content and display. We're going to skip the account section and we're going to select screen time. As you can see here, the third option we have is weekly screen time updates. Stay updated on your time from your app inbox. So we're going to tap on that to turn that on, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!